Hey, I just got pop on veneers, and as you can see, they perfect. They fit nice. They pop right on, just like they say pop on. It took them about 2 weeks. I got the first setting in the mail. I had to bite down on it, get our teeth in there good, get a nice imprint. After I did that, I sent it back in. It took them about 1.5 to 2 weeks, but my smile is perfect now. See, no lines, no gaps, no nothing. I can talk with it in my mouth. People always compliment me, say, "Damn, where did you get your teeth from?" They want to try pop on. You guys need to spread the word. It's so amazing. I love their product. Um, I encourage you to try it. Just look at it. I have $1 million Hollywood smile. My name is Judy, and I say, try pop on.